What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I guess it's gonna be a hiking channel from now on. I've been walking. You can't see my truck. Son called me. Lord, I barely see him. He's way down there. He called me and he said, Daddy, he said, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. He says, Daddy, no. I'm so sorry. I know how much you love that golf cart. He kept saying, I'm so sorry. I was like, son, what's going on? He's like, I was trying to go up the dike and I flipped it. And this is the golf cart with 35s on it. And this is my big one. It's been my pride and joy for so long. I was like, well, screw that golf cart, man. As long as you are okay, I'm fine. So I'm barely seeing right here. We're about to see what Walking Tall looks like, which I was going to tear it apart this winter anyway, but I'm just glad he's okay. He said his arm's hurting, so his mama's going to try to come down here and we're going to try to carry him to the ER. Make sure his arm's not messed up, but it's always something with a 15-year-old. I was 15 once. I knew exactly how it feels. And where I thought the golf cart was, that ain't it. So I'll pick y'all up when I get to the golf cart.
Steering wheel's bent.
Steering wheel's bent?
Oh yeah.
35s are up in the air.
Yeah, we could use an alignment now, but
Oh yeah. Let's get up closer to it. Right? Second one that you've done for me.
I know.
Here we go. Here's old Walking Tall.
He ain't walking no more.
He ain't walking no more. Navitas is up. Dash is out. Where'd you come in at?
Down there.
Down there.
Bring a trailer?
Papa is.
He's coming?
Yeah. That's what it looks like. Jake's long travel, still good. Frame looks fine. Navitas is still on it. Wheel lights are still there.
Here, hey.
See that? The sub is still secure. This battery weighs like 160 pounds. It's still secured. Navitas controller, the charger for the battery is still good. 12-volt battery is still good. These seats still look to be good. Steering wheel's messed up. Forever sharp steering wheel. Stereo's messed up. That's not coming on. You hear that? That just clicked. The way I got it set up on this cart was, you remember I ran the forward and reverse switch because we shaved it off of here. I ran it through this aux gang here. So I used the 87A on the relay to control the forward. So this battery won't cut on, the 12-volt battery won't cut on, so it'll still go forward. I need you to help me rock it back and forth like that.
All right.
Rock it back and forth. All right, sweet.
Something like that.
It don't look bad, son. Listen, don't worry about it. It's just a golf cart.
Yeah.
I built this. Don't worry about it. This is nothing.
No, it's definitely something.
It might be something to you, but to me, this ain't nothing. Come on. This thing will still roll. You know why? I built this, that's why. Come on. See it? There it is. There's the gimbal. Now look where I'm at. Way down there. So it's been a few days. It's Tuesday now. On the back of the cart, this right here is bent. That's about the only damage on the back of the cart. Even the headrest, because the headrest was sitting on the ground, they're fine. Tires, wheels, axle is fine. The front end is fine as far as the suspension goes. Now, he did break the body, or the body broke right here. Scarred it all up. Cracks in the body. And on these, I think it's right here, or I can't remember, but that's where your body mounts, or for your top mounts, because I had those shaved as well. Headlight is just out, chilling. So the front end took majority of the hit. The dash popped out, mainly because the steering column pushed down. The steering wheel bent. The wood grain, or whatever that is, like epoxy on the steering wheel, is off. I think this right here landed on Bryant's arm, but he was able to get off. The only thing on the dash that's really bad is the bolts that mount up. They cracked out. I think everything in here is good. I just tied everything up in there. I think this right here piece is bent pretty good for the steering column. I could probably stand on it and bend it straight up, you know. It's not total lost, but at the same time, I was planning on rebuilding it this year. I want it a little bit longer, not gonna lie. I would like a 6-passenger and just not mount a back seat, just have 2 rows of seats facing forward. I don't like the back seat on these carts up, and you know, as high as it is, I think it's unsafe for the kids or anyone who rides. And this right here seats very little too. The tires, the width of the tires, they're tall and narrow. I like this look, but my buddy's cart in North Carolina, Brian Nevins, he's got wides on his. I'll throw a picture of his cart up here. I really like the wides on it. I think it's a lot more stable. I would like to do something like that, maybe with the DS platform. The DS platform's been around for a long time, and the Villagers now has a new front end. I think it came out like a year or 2 ago. I'll place a picture on the screen right here. So if we updated the front end, it would kind of look like a Tempo off of a President a little bit. So who knows? You know, I don't know what color I'm gonna go back with. I don't know if I'm gonna go with these same seats again, even though I have these seats and I have some other ones as well on a different cart, but I think the stereo and everything's fine. I think, yeah, down there, that switch is broken. You see the switch down there, but it's off. I think I connect it back again, and the 12-volt system will work then. So, but there it is. There's wlkntall, and that's a video for today. I appreciate y'all watching. It was unfortunate what happened to him. He is 100% okay. I think it really hurt his pride more than anything. It hit his arm, his left arm. He's fine. He knows it could be a lot more that could have went on. It could have been serious, and it wasn't. So he understands. We've already had this talk. And the thing is, he's 15, and I told him, I said, son, this is what I'm worried about. You done flipped my little small President this year on the side. Now you flip this one. I'm worried about when you start driving, you know, because he's just like me, especially when I was 15, just like me. And not really scared of anything, just full boy, just full-blown boy. And that can be a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. I just told him, I said, son, I just want you to be careful. You know, you start acting a fool with the truck, and I hear you acting a fool, you're gonna be walking to school or getting, you know, a ride from your buddies. But anyways, with that being said, I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all later. Bye.